The markets take a nosedive, Dow down nearly 200 points. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's the last day of April. It is April 30th, 2015. It is Thursday. Welcome all of you who are coming to watch this video, large part due to today's sizable drop with the Dow down 195 points. Big drop, but it's not necessarily it being down 200 points. It is more about the support levels that have been violated today and why we're in significant trouble in the markets. All right, so first I'm using tradingview.com. It's free software. You can upgrade to use their real-time data if you want to for a nominal fee. Great stuff. That's who I'm using. You'll see all of these dots. These dots are opinions. If you click on this little light bulb, you can toggle those dots on and off, or you can toggle those opinions on or off. Now, they're on. This is the S&P 500. You'll notice there is a red dot right here going back 4 trading days ago. It's showing a triangle here because it is on my account. It comes up as a triangle. So this here tells you that I said, watch out, this is a sell indicator. And even though it gave us some hiccups here on the bull side, we have dropped ever since. Big drop. So if you want to follow me, all you have to do is go to SPY Spider and click on that dot, and you'll see me, and then you can follow me getting my opinions as I do those on stocks or these ETFs. Like if I go to the diamonds, same thing. Go to DIA, diamonds, and you'll see just one dot up there, and that's me. It comes crashing down right after that. NASDAQ, I put a sell right there at that resistance level, and it has crashed since then. Small caps, I said sell right up there. Boom, to the downside. And today's volume was massive on the sell side. And I'll tell you, the day I called it a sell signal, it broke big time support levels. It tried to come back and then it just died. Yesterday's trading day, we closed below all major moving averages on small caps. So today's sell-off did not surprise us. Anyway, if you go back to the Spiders chart here, I'm going to get rid of a couple lines here that I really don't need any longer. So we had this going forward here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show another line doing this, and this will be going from this swing to that. So this is the new trend line coming across. So I like to have these match up. So I'm looking at those two trend lines. Now this blue one here has been violated. Boom, crashed down. It's in big time trouble, gang. Big trouble the markets are in for as far as the spiders are concerned. The diamonds, the Dow, remember that I said we had this big symmetrical triangle. It came out of it, and I said chances are now that it has come out of that red line, breaking out of the triangle. Now first, hold on, I don't want to make any assumptions. Look at these two red lines. You can see a triangle, right? This line and this line. That's the triangle I'm talking about. Forget the blue lines for the time being. I said at this point it went higher. We had a gap up, sell off. I said sell there. But the very next day we closed above it. And I said if we close above it and then we come back down, this could be what's called a death hook. And if it's a death hook, look for a big bloody drop after that. And sure enough, it's already happening. And it's happening on some decent volume to the downside. So if I were to bring in and zoom out a little bit, if you don't know what a rising wedge is, this is a rising wedge. It's the blue lines. It's rising. It's going higher, but it's pinching together. That means it's wedging. We just broke down out of that rising wedge. That is problematic big time for the markets. That's just bad news. Here's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ went up there, hit its head, dropped. Now NASDAQ is coming into some big time support area. This area of support could be significant. We could go down, 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 hammer, 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 come up here and have a big hammer, and then we could rally after that. So I'll tell you, going into closing out this week is going to be hugely important to me. My gut tells me we're going to have a nothing stall out day to close out the week. Be like a little doji here. Small caps just has crashed and burned on big volume. We're coming to a support area right there coming across. And you can see that triangle? That triangle is actually an area where I said buy, and it has gone up, 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 up. Now I said sell, and it's going down, down, down. And taking a look here at the banks index, you'll see that we started to pop here. And I'm going to move, not that one, keep that one there. That's my cell phone vibrating loudly. And I'm going to show that we're at a support level right now. Very key location as far as these banks are concerned. So I'm watching this like a hawk. Right now, we came up, smashed our head, dropping at a support area. Every time we get there, we bounce. If Friday we don't bounce, we actually break below these areas. I'm going to call a possible big correction coming in the markets based off of the technicals here. Gold has been all over the place. Just choppy, choppy, choppy mess. Silver. Resistance, we're at resistance right now. Every time we hit this area, so we hit resistance and drop, hit resistance and drop, hit resistance and drop. I mean, we're right here at it. So we dropped, and anyway, it'd be interesting. We're pinching here. It'd be interesting to see what silver brings us. So there's the very latest. Again, gang, big time warnings out here in the markets. Big support broken. This could be very problematic for the markets. Definitely do not be unprotected in the markets. Very important to know about hedging. Catch you later.